Hello everyone, and it's Erin Flutta here, and I am here for my business traveler's notebook setup. This is going to be a quick and dirty one because I basically do the same thing every single month in my traveler's notebook. I found something that works and I'm not gonna mess with it. I do that in my bullet journal all the time. But for my business traveler's notebook, I am really, really good about sticking with a plan that has been proven to work. So I am doing my normal situation, which is a month at a glance setup, a monthly log, if you will. So this is a place where I can put important dates for my business. Um, I'm looking up a quote now. I don't know why I didn't edit that out, and I could just edit that out now, but I didn't, and I'm not because I'm too tired. So, anyways, so I decided to bring back a quote because I stopped doing those for quite a while, but I really do like having a quote page, and I really liked having it at the beginning of this traveler's notebook for my business. So I decided to include one here. It says never start a business just to make money. Start a business to make a difference. Is that what it says? Yeah, to make a difference. Okay, so basically, it's something that I talk about with my business a lot. That while I am in the black, business wise, it's not something that I'm like, okay, well, this is my full time gig. So I do try to make things extremely affordable for people. And when I increase prices, it's because I have to. So basically, my business is not really meant to do that. It's because it's something that I do have a passion for, although it does burn me out quite a bit. So I do want to talk about a few things that are going to be changing in 2022. Basically, my shops are only going to be open half of the month. It will open on the first Friday of the month, and then it will stay open for 2 weeks, and then I will not have it open for the rest of the month. This will give me a lot better work-life balance because right now I don't have any because both my work and my business are done primarily from home. So I need to be better and more diligent about taking care of myself. So it will only be up for 2 weeks of each month. My Etsy shop may stay open a little bit longer because those are typically ready to ship items versus stickers that I pretty much make every single order to the order. So that is what is going to change in 2022. This may mean that I don't make as much money, which, kind of stinks, but at the same time, this is not my main financial income source. So I do need to make sure that I am addressing my mental health and physical health because physical health is a big thing for me in 2022. If you have watched my wellness log video, then you know that I'm making that a big priority, and I have been making it a priority. It's not like January 1st, like that's what I'm doing. I've made it a big priority. If you've been on my Instagram stories at all, you see that I'm trying to post on there every day that I go to the gym to kind of hold myself accountable. So because all of those things are big priorities for me, my business is going to take a little bit of a back burner role. I will be mostly doing things through Patreon. So if you are interested in getting sticker kits, definitely go to my Patreon because that is going to be the place that you can get them readily available every single month because I ship out the rewards every single month. So that is that's a setup. That's what's going on in 2022, and I'm super excited to have you along for the ride. So I hope you guys are interested in these videos. This is the new Northern Lights Aurora kit by the way, and that will be available on January 7th, which is the first Friday of January. And that will be available at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will see you then. Bye, everyone.